So we got a bunch of this continuous up. I just want to show you guys something real quick. Different quality of materials. Continuous looks real nice. You can pretty much hang it on any kind of post. Wood, steel, pipe, octagon posts, all sorts of stuff. But quality materials makes a big difference. So let me turn you around here. Here we've got, this is one kind of panel. This is a different kind of panel. We got a weird stay gap here we're gonna fix, but just want to show you something. So on these lower quality panels, the connectors are welded into one side. So they're welded on this side, fit in that way. They're not the same size as this pipe. So they don't fit real great. I mean, you can see that doesn't line up. Over here on this higher quality stuff, here's our first seam. That's the connector right there. The OD of the connector is the same as the ID on this continuous panel. So you can see the pipes all line up. Alright, so I just want to give you a quick example. So this is the cheaper material. You can see the connectors welded in. And you can kind of see, hopefully you can see this on the camera. The connector is a lot smaller than the pipe is. So when we take them, put them together, there's an awful lot of movement there. And you can see, I mean, they could be up to that far off. Hopefully you can see that. These are the connectors for the higher quality stuff. Not welded in. Has a little tack there just to keep them from sliding through. There's no up and down movement. There's a little bit of this movement obviously, but they fit together nice and tight. So that's something to think about, specifically for continuous, the connector size and all that. But for any materials, a lot of the times the cheaper stuff, it's just, it might look great in the store when you're looking at it, but once you go to try and install it, maybe not so great. Either might not look as good, or it might just be more work or kind of a pain to install. So think about that. We're gonna get this continuous finished up. I'll see you in a bit.